Hello friends, welcome to all in this video lecture. I am Vidya Kalebag. Today we are going to learn new point departmentation in the chapter number 2, organizing and staffing. First we will see what is mean by departmentation. Departmentation is nothing but breaking down a company into various departments, that is subsystems, so that organizational objective can be effectively achieved. Then what is need of departmentation or importance of departmentation? First one is for specialization, means to take benefit of specialization, departmentation is important. Then next one is expansion. For expansion of company also departmentation is important, because one manager can supervise only few subordinates. Grouping of activities and sub-personnel into department makes it possible for enterprise to grow and exceed. Means one manager can supervise only few subordinates, and if departmentation is take place in company, then number of manager are there, and therefore which supervise number of subordinates, and therefore growing of that companies take place, or possibility of growing of that companies take place. Then next one is responsibility fixation, means departmentation allows fixation of responsibility, that is also importance of departmentation. Then departmentation facilitates communication, coordinates and control. And then last one is departmentation divide into small department, means through this departmentation large and complex organization is divided into small and flexible and managerial departments. This enable easy administrative control. These are the importance of departmentation or need of departmentation. Then types, methods or basis of departmentation. There are 5 common types of departmentation. First one is on the basis of functional departmentation. Second one is geothermal departmentation. Third one is product departmentation. Then fourth one is process departmentation, and fifth one is customer departmentation. Means first departmentation is functional department, which is based on function. Second one is geographical, which is depend on geography or territorial region. Third one is product departmentation, means this departmentation depends on product. And then next one is process departmentation. Process departmentation is depend on process. And last one is customer departmentation. In this departmentation is depend on customer. Then first we will see first departmentation, that is functional departmentation. Functional departmentation defines departments by the function each one performs, such as accounting or purchasing. Means this departmentation is depend on function. For example, production is function, R&D is function, purchasing is function, etc. This kind of departmentation include persons with same knowledge of skill, like accounting department having persons of commerce, means for accounting department person having commerce. Then marketing department require MBA person, like this, means person with same knowledge or skill of that department. Then advantages of this departmentation is, first one is in depth specialization. In depth specialization, then coordination within functional area take place. Due to this, departmentation is depend on function, therefore coordination within area is take place. Then next one is it relieves line executive from routine duties and allows time to develop themselves and organization. Then limitation, poor communication across functional area. And then second one is limited view of organizational goal. Means this particular or specific departmentation is focus on his department, not focus on organizational goal. That is the limitation of that departmentation. And this is the flow chart of that departmentation. On topmost of position there is board of director, then chief executive, and after this number of manager of department. This department, that is first one is production manager, finance manager, marketing manager, personnel manager, and engineer manager. Means these manager are for production department, this manager for finance department, like this manager marketing department, personnel department, and engineer department. The next one is geographical or territory departmentation. It groups jobs according to geographic region. The geographical region means geographical departmentation is an arrangement of department according to geographical area or territories. Geographical departmentation is beneficial when organizations are spread over a wide area. Means when organizations spread wide area, then this departmentation is used. For example, marketing a product in Western Europe may have different requirement than marketing in the same product in Southeast Asia. Market area is broken up into sales territories like northern, southern, west, east. The salesmen appointed for each territory report to their regional or territorial manager. This manager again report to the sales manager, who is head of sales department. This is the geographical departmentation or works of geographical departmentation. Means this northern, eastern, southern, west salesman report to the territorial manager, and after this territorial manager means this territorial manager again report to the sales manager, who is head of the sales department. Advantages. First advantages of this geographical departmentation is more effective and efficient handling of specific regional issues. And then second one is serve need of unique geographical markets better. And limitations. First one is duplication of function is takes place in geographical departmentation. Means salesman. The salesman is number of salesmen for different regions. Number of production manager as per requirement for different regions. Means south for southern, for western, for east, west. Means duplication of work or duplication of manager or duplication of functions in that take place. Second one is can feel isolated from other organizational areas. Then flowchart of geographical departmentation. At first position or topmost position there is board of director, then after chief executive, then after marketing manager, personnel manager, production manager, and finance manager. This is the first level. Then after this western region, southern region, eastern region and north region. This is the second level of this geographical departmentation. And then last level is marketing, production, personnel and finance. This is the third level of departmentation. Means this is the last level of departmentation, means this finance manager for that southern region is for this southern region, or from that eastern region, from that northern region and western region, finance manager is again report to the finance manager of this means these all southern, eastern, northern manager are report to the finance manager. Means this finance manager of western, southern, eastern and northern, all finance manager report to the head of finance manager. All production manager of regional departmentation is report to the head of production department. Like this department work. Then after this product departmentation, it groups job by product line. Companies may have multiple product. Means in this departmentation or in this company there is number of product or multiple product is produced. Like Maruti is producing Alto, Zine, Swift. Large companies are often organized according to the product. Means large company organized according to the product. Means this product produces number of product. All common activities required to produce and market a product are grouped together. Major disadvantages are duplication of resource. Means in that departmentation, duplication of resources are take place. Each product require most of the same functional areas such as finance, marketing, production, etc. For example, Samsung manufacturing phones, TV, tablet, etc. For each product, means for this product Samsung phones, Samsung TV and Samsung tablet, this product require same functional department like marketing, production, etc. Thus it is duplication of functions. Advantages is allow specification in particular products and services. And second one is manager can become expert in their industry and closer to customer. Then limitation is duplication of function and resources, limited view of organizational goals. Then flowchart of this product departmentation. First one is board of director, top position. Then after chief executive. Then first level is marketing manager, personnel manager, product manager, production manager and finance manager. Then after it is divided into product wise. Then soap department, detergent powder department, agro product, then pharmaceutical product. This is the second level. And for this each and every product require special department. Means marketing department, marketing manager, marketing department, production department, personnel department and finance department. Means each and every product. This is the soap product, and for that soap product it is required separate department, means separate manager for marketing, for production, for personnel, for finance. Then also for detergents same different departmentation is required. For marketing manager means it requires separate manager for each and every department. Means marketing manager required, production manager required, personal manager required, finance manager required. Means in that departmentation duplication of functions and duplication of resources are take place. Process departmentation. Departmentation is done on the basis of processing. In manufacturing organization, the location of manufacturing plant and department can be at a different location due to cost of raw material and even labor charges. Even departmentation can be done depending on types of machine required. Means this process departmentation is also on the basis of types of machine required. The similar type of machine are kept at one place. For example, all lathes, all drilling, all shaper machines are kept in one workshop or one place. Means all lathe machine are placed in at one place. All drilling machine are placed or kept at one place like this. Activity are grouped into separate section, each kept at one place. Advantages: more efficient flow of work activities. Flow of work activity. And limitation is can only be used with certain type of product. This process departmentation is used for certain type of product only. Then flowchart of the departmentation is at topmost position board of director, then chief executive, then after marketing, personal, production, finance, engineering manager. Then after this painting manager, welding manager, punching, electroplating and cutting. These are the process departmentation and these are the processes: painting, welding, punching, electroplating and cutting. And this departmentation is mostly used in manufacturing industry. Then last one is customer departmentation. Customer departmentation means customer divisions are divisions set to service particular type of client or customer. Means this departmentation is depend on customer requirement or customer or types of client. Means some companies or organization divide the different unit based on customer or market. For example, any PC manufacturing company like HP has different divisions like consumer PC, commercial PC and workstation, etc. Nokia previously had 3 divisions like consumer phone, business phone and smartphone. Means this Nokia or company is divided into consumer phone, business phone and smartphone. Means this Nokia company is divided into these 3 departmentation. Recently Nokia had changed their departmentation from customer to process base. Now there are only 2 divisions, hardware and software based departmentation. Means now before that means now this Nokia company is divided into process based departmentation, and before that this is depend on or divided into customer requirement. They will also sell their software to other mobile company. Advantages: customer needs and problems can be met by specialist. And limitation is duplication of functions, limited view of organizational goal. Then flowchart of this departmentation, customer departmentation. This is the example of banking. At first topmost position there is board of director, then second chief executive, then after this divide into different departmentation, that is general, community banking, housing loans, then corporate banking, then agricultural banking and industrial banking. Means this bank is divided into divided on the basis of customer requirement. Same like example is means hotel. Large hotel is divided into number of section. Means first one is this hotel is divided into lodging, beer bar, ice cream section, then family section, then conference hall. Like this means large hotel is divided into in this section, means ice cream section, conference hall, family section, beer bar, then like this. Means this hotel is divided, or this hotel departmentation is based on customer requirement. This is the example of customer requirement departmentation. Okay, thank you.